National Institute of Fashion Technology Delhi has received an overall rating of 4.6 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the Master of Fashion Management program here? Let's find out, starting with the placements rated 4.5 out of 5 stars. Students reported that companies such as Raymond, Snapdeal, BlackBerry, H&M, Fab India, Adidas, Tommy Hilfiger, LVMH and Reliance visited the campus, offering roles spanning marketing, merchandising, branding, e-commerce, clothing design and management. Positions offered included merchandising manager, sourcing agent, buying agent, fashion case and logistics manager, quality manager and production manager. While the highest package reported by students reached 15 lakh per annum in 2023, the average package offered ranged from 7 to 8 lakh per annum. Compared to NIFT Mumbai, NIFT Delhi offers better average packages to its students. Regarding internships, several students received on-campus opportunities lasting 6 to 8 months with Aditya Birla Fashion and Myntra. Moving on now to academics, where NIFT Delhi offers a 2-year MFM program which is rated 4.4 by students. Eligibility requires a UG degree or a 3-year diploma from NIFT or NID. Admissions are based on general ability test followed by a group discussion and interview. The NIFT MFM program's closing cutoff ranks in 2024 show a slight decrease in comparison to 2023. The total course fees for the 2 years is around 6.8 lakhs, with annual hostel charges ranging from 1.22 to 1.62 lakhs depending on the accommodation type. Scholarships are available for meritorious and economically disadvantaged students. Moving on now to the 4.3 rated infrastructure. The campus features spacious, smart classrooms and advanced textile, design and fashion labs equipped with 3D printers, laser cutters and Shima-Siki computerized knitting machines. These labs are regularly updated with new products and fabrics. The Resource Center offers over 15,000 books and an extensive material collection including fabric swatches, fashion garments, traditional costumes, textiles, and accessories. The campus also features amphitheaters and auditoriums to support academics. The fully air-conditioned hostel offers single or double sharing accommodation options and are well furnished. Sports facilities include basketball and badminton courts, a gymnasium, and an on-campus medical service. About the faculty and course, rated 4.4 now. Students praise the qualified faculty, many with PhDs, who enhance learning through active consultancy projects, providing valuable industry exposure. The curriculum covers key areas of fashion industry including management, marketing, merchandising and operations. Strategic partnerships with over 15 international fashion institutes including the Fashion Institute of Technology, USA and Massey University, New Zealand enrich the student learning experience. Moving on now to the 4.4 star rated campus life. Cultural, film and photography student clubs organize events throughout the year including Halloween nights, fashion shows, festive celebrations and the annual cultural festival. Lastly, as for the rankings, NIFT Delhi is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on NIFT Delhi and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.